You don't do things because you...
That's what kept me going.
And we've seen you in action.
Number 2 test delay. The Tirian de surprise changing to the Anzuro. The Tanda de Chola in Angla lady. Chola Nimla in Angla lady. The surprise changing to the Inamana study. It's kind of a big deal. Wani Territory has around the Lateri Dirisha Chinda 32 Shitini. Chinda 32. Ani Chola Nima Ginzen Lala. Ani Canada gi award Shembuchi peers. This is not officially announced yet. Tanda officially announced Nangure Konanzi. Yemane Chola already knows. Chola Kengi or Chola Kenza and Nanzugi Hakordus and Mission. Namid Hakocheni. Ani Dia Karsa Order of Canada Sungudo Konanzo award the Mingla. Order of Canada Resha. Ani did you don't could get to Rabding Lola, Ani Queen Elizabeth Tugi Kanje on Gotsu Dinama, let you reach the children could get to you. Rabdins Ladu Kane, Tanda Badalo Kazera, that law. Our the goats on a long up to Nabdu, Redo, that 2 months. Lord in the Manguji Chinsasha, Lord in the Mangujana, Chinsadu, Tanda Pardola, Lord to Menski Dinala, me get on Zasla our Dirash. Roa. Ani award the Chirtangi Kechambashusha Canada Nangi civilian award nane Cheshire Chirishadi. And big deal roa. And Dinane Teri, Tanganzu Peven la Tama Tangu Chado, Canada Dinan. Peven la Tama Tangu Chado ane, Takazi Panazi Nangu, Tachola, Dineji Purishas, Hanzu Hako, Ani Nanzu Dela, Ani Tenchu wedding la Yungu, Hako, around the Yungu or to Zidel. That did Yakushu those to Ziche, and they want to Father's Day Kido. The Indo one attack on the Chola surprise the Chego Shijan. Roa. Takanje Tirin Chola and the Chilo Terror. Chola has no idea that we are actually doing this for him. Roa. Ani Kingo Marta Chola and the Pedo one it'll be a pleasant surprise for him. Roani did any can numbers of Tanda Chola Pigro, any Sigisi Nand. Takanje did that, and Chola, our kitchen Bushuchi, announced Tanchio, announced Nanga the pitching you do stay on a chinda Takarangi, telling you something to Ajilin Sere. Diladona, we still have a few days for. And of course, I'm not gonna put this video out until then. It's around the Masimba video, the Tungu Maratona Digi Marwa. Of course, when you're watching this, it's probably several days afterwards. Anyways, enjoy the video and let's see Chola's reaction. Hopefully there is a reaction, a pleasant one. Ani champagne did sugar some so ani can number to Chola walking in and of course and being a pigeon chinda the you said announced again the video the upload. So today, so when you're watching this, obviously it's either 27th of June or it's 28th of June. And you can number King Joan, and please fill out the comment section by congratulating Chola. It's not a small thing, it's a big deal. Ruangananzu Tawachila award Chimpudindeji Canada Kegab award Chimpudindeji Raduna Yang Mananzu Tsangma this Turkey kitchen Dogagi Nizichiro. This and let's wait for Chola and see what happens. Well, I'm looking forward to this. It'll be a wonderful little surprise. And by the way, the Father's Day in Zankan number to see one of the Father's Day. I thought you had so much the Father's Day in Yamainza can number a belated Father's Day wish to all of you watching. When the show end. Now the wait continues. We'll wait for Chola to show up. Chola good there. Chola Chola Chilo should say that I'm going to Kimbo Matosuja, very surprising me. Chola is surprised the idea, but everybody's here. And he wants to see that on the Chola Pedo and Chola reaction can do see the Saturday. Salve. Takamani.
I'll do that. Good idea. Good idea.
But Chola has no idea.
I'll just tell him to come to the front door. I'll tell him to. I'll just say come into the front.
Congratulations लग रहा है दिन मात्र स्टिल लगे ना
장신호의 맛이 쓰러질라.
I like your dress, teacher. Thank you. That's really nice. Yeah.
What's it?
I gained too much weight to wear it for a while.
You want to go closer? Do you want your shirt?
No, I can catch it from here. It's even better.
I watched them. I watched them. I'm like, what's Jamie doing now?
And Jamie's like, I can't understand.
Okay, all right, Jamie. We'll just do subtitles just for you, okay?
Just for, I'm like, I'm following what they're doing too. It's like I'm there.
Jamie's like, yeah, I watched them. But it's just too. I'm like, it's too short. And he's like, Jay Gellick? He's like, the YouTuber? It was like, okay, yeah.
All right, we're gonna have to start doing subtitles now. Okay, Chanjula, you're taking over now.
Next, like, you gotta.
Okay, they're coming. They're coming. Surprise! What is going on? Chola's all confused. He's all confused. Chola Chola yang main lucu deh
Chapa is also.
Chola's wondering what's going on.
No, I'm staying there to go through this toilet.
This is to say it's for you. For your order. Father's Day. For everyone else. And happy Father's Day.
And happy Father's Day.
Yay! Oh yeah, maybe see you can go over.
No, I was just saying we still have a few more shopping to do. Like but no, we're still shopping for tomorrow. Is like, congratulations. And just as long as I said, there seems to be a lot of people coming yesterday. They started like going in. So I'm telling my cousin, said, see what is she goes, I don't see, I can't see. Oh, wow.
Well, congratulations to Chola. Yes.
It's okay, those are not right. Don't worry, you don't have that. Oh, do you want to maybe people want to give you?
Yeah, I think
I mean, you want to say what? Oh wow, it's Jordan Brazil.
no, I was just saying it's another
From the family of request you to read aloud so that everyone can listen to what read aloud, listen to it.
Just let me absorb it.
Of course.
This is the true meaning of life. We're visitors on this planet. We're here for 90 or 100 years at the very most. During that period, we must try to do something good, something useful with our lives. If you contribute to others, other people's happiness, you'll find the true goal, the true meaning of life. It's a quote from Dalai Lama. It's a new culture.
Yes, they're the ones that initiated this.
I'm sure we've all been apprised, but for those of you who don't know, she's going to be awarded the Order of Canada. She's going to be inducted into the Order of Canada next week. It's the highest civilian honor.
He's a knight.
That can be granted to a Canadian. So it's the highest order that is granted to any civilian. And it's for all children's work for Tibet. That's kind of put him on there. So it's work towards human rights.
Yes, that's perfectly fine. No hiding the tears. No hiding the tears. That's perfectly fine. Yep.
It's just, Paula would be so proud.
Absolutely. Yes. Congratulations. That's perfectly fine. Absolutely. Everybody should be proud, not just families, but all Tibetans. Absolutely. This is a great achievement for all of us.
Yes.
I mean, this is really, yeah, beautiful. Congratulations again, Chola. Seriously, congratulations again.
전다 생두디 고갑디 주나에게 땜지기 시
Oh yes, absolutely. Yes.
계산 양도라 스테이지로 다 계산 양도라 나타나도 땜지 양이 양을 되지고 왜 삼내입니다. 계산수 라 야도라 나조디루라 좀라 계사야도라 아네도 좀주 touché.
Beautiful. Beautiful. What a pleasant surprise today. So he actually had no idea that we were doing this today. So it turned out really well.
It's a total surprise for me, not only this, but otherwise as well. I was not expecting, when I got the call about a month ago or so, it was a complete shock, complete surprise. But again, though, I'd be lying if I said it didn't make me feel good about it. Right? For the acknowledgement and being acknowledged for what you do. You don't do things because you want that, but still, you want to make sure that you make a difference. And I couldn't do this without help of the family and others who've always been there.
Absolutely.
And particularly my wife.
Yes. Yes, Isabella. Yeah, absolutely. Yes.
Yes. We disagree sometimes on what we do, but I mean, without her support at the end, of course, I couldn't do any of this. And my moms and others who always sort of been there for what I do, without any questions, really. And I'm really proud, more so beyond that, to see our kids carry on and do things that makes a difference. But as I mentioned, though, with my wife, I mean, just always around. And at times I do say, and on rare occasions I might admit, and say to thank her for putting up with me. With all my quirks and all the things that, you know. And it takes a lot of patience, obviously, right? For not just for you, but I think it's probably a little bit of the otherwise too. And so, and so I truly thank her and kids. And so, at the end of the day, I mean, your legacy is really with the kids as to if they carry on. Absolutely. And it's not because you insist on it, but just whether it's inherently in them. And I've said that to our children. It doesn't matter of any of the accomplishments. At the end of the day, I can proudly say and honestly say, as a parent who knows, you know, their children, not just for, you know, with all the quirks, day and night, and to say I'm incredibly proud of who they are as a person, just genuinely people. And to try to make it a better world at the end, not just in cliches, but just doing your part any time. And so, thank you so much for all of you. This, it means so much.
This is good. Sichela, you have to say a few words. Come on, this is such a big deal. I mean, obviously, right? You have to say a few words. Come on.
I have to be kind of difficult. I know Nimla's not the easiest person to stay with, honestly, but what he was working towards, like helping people and, you know, making a big difference in many people's lives.
Absolutely.
That's what kept me going.
Absolutely.
That, okay, this is something worth, you know, being his back support.
Absolutely.
And that's honestly the main thing that kept us going.
That's great.
And I'm so proud of him. The day he got the prize, when he got the email saying that you got the thing, I'm like, oh, Congratulations. But he's a very hardworking person when he puts his mind into something.
Very well
And I'm
deserved.
so happy to see the outcome of many of the things he's put into all his time and effort.
Absolutely.
I'm proud of you. And I don't say it very often, but I am.
Yeah, wow, beautiful, beautiful. Yes, thank you. Thank you. How beautiful. That was beautiful. That was very beautiful, guys. That was very beautiful.
Okay, and the food
Very
should be here
beautiful.
shortly too, so everyone enjoy.
Yes. This is beautiful.
Drinks here, lots of drinks, drinks in here.
Pekee namaz sense nga tara show ni show ne shin re tirin chola ni mala la chaga radio jero ti taga paga kyun marda ya tene cha shina di chilu chigdong gubje tuju rabdun lo go chu sha ve chaga jire do chilu chigdong gubje tuju rabdun ne thanda padola ni chen me shi mangbu chul radio ramen do di nyamba di ro kan din na ne ngaran ju phebe na ne tirin chola ni mala ra o di dil ro of course ro cha dan diren sama nangmi da pinja da din sama yosala ani there is surprise to sugar gumzen dagarar ro ani kanambagi ani diwala comment nangla ani chola congratulations so and sumro na I think this is a cumulative accomplishment for all of us ro ani ngadi shuyi ani zamde de chegi ani shu me ro ani this is such a beautiful day for all of us so I just want to end it right here ani samolo toji che ani this singing to see where ani chuna di share nangona kaisina nganan ni show ni shine pyobachilara chaga daga baga mare ani the Canada shungi chaga chimbuchiridi chaga chimbudirira chaga chinjuindina mare ani daga na sing ani kenamba the share nang toina ani yabu yosere sambudu yero ani thank you so much guys appreciate it ani well I hope to see you guys in the next vlog thank you very much
Nima, congratulations on becoming a member of the Order of Canada.
We've known you for many years, and we've seen you in action on many different levels, and we've traveled with you to northern India, and we've appreciated all the work that you do with the Tibetan community globally. So, Tashi Dile, and congratulations.
Order of Canada gi chaga thawate ning thawane tristile lagi tristile
Chulai nimala ginzen la Canada ki chaga thoshe dipusha ani ngazu gabata poba chumke so samdi tristile shwe nimala congratulations on receiving the highest honor in Canada, Order of Canada.
Hi Nima. Congratulations on your Order of Canada award. You are indeed deserving of this prestigious national recognition of excellence. You truly care about the well-being of the people around you and for the success of your community and our country. May we grow old together, staying healthy, wealthy, and wise. Your friend, Tony Yip, engineer, author, and artist.
Congratulations, Abba. We're so proud of you and all your hard work.
Congratulations on an incredible and well-deserved honor.
Love you.
Hello, Nima. Congratulations upon receiving the Order of Canada. I'm so happy to hear that, and it's so well-deserved given all the work you have done with the Tibetan community in Canada and elsewhere. I've known you first as my student, then as a colleague, and now as a close family friend, and we are so happy to hear this news. Please give our best wishes to your family. Chan and Damita Veera Singha. Bye.
Yimagenzela Order of Canada gi award dirani. Mazu go shu chung sukura nami che. Mazu pingya tsangma boy gesra. Yine ngara samzula pe mima chiyo. Mazu peba michila. Canada gi chaga tho dinde chik rawa dela. Kaso da powa jike or samgud.
Chula Yimagenzela Tashtele Canada Tanda Canada gi chaga tho buchi tho dual Order of Canada se. And Kawupe Chonso
nga kabar nang ni chame chap shu je chamdi test tele shu gi tanda bu de kena jiwe shap ji shu da shu shimre doro ine jiwe shap ji gang tu tu ji shu ro na shu e.
Congrats, Agu, on the Order of Canada Award.
We're so proud of you and we're excited to see you recognized for all your hard work. No one is more deserving. We love you.
Love you, Papa.
Congratulations, Nima, the Order of Canada. Wow. This is truly an amazing accomplishment. All the time, the energy, the devotion to Project Tibet. I am so inspired by you and your humanitarian efforts, and I am truly, truly honored to be your friend. Thank you. Thank you for modeling that, and love you.
Uncle Nimala, congratulations on receiving the Order of Canada.
We are so proud of you and well deserved.
Congratulations and Tashle Nyamla. We need more people like you in Tibetan community in Calgary.
Uncle Nimala, congratulations on such a prestigious award. Your work is inspiring and has helped so many people.
Yes, congratulations on receiving the Order of Canada. So well deserved.
Nindung di sensi nangke yon liya samdi touch le shuya ta antine ta tale chao go e kyunse di nganzu gi chola tanda nima genzela la ya enkenda shungi singda Order of Canada CH ani chala liya tabadilia ani ngi gi ta nangmi ngene chola ta an chola ki nangmi changmalia chamdi tashtele thangme shuai an tashtele.
Congratulations, Nimla, for having been awarded this most prestigious Order of Canada award. I cannot think of anybody else more deserving than you for this award. I've seen how hard you worked with the Tibet Buddhist Society, and you did it with not much help, and you accomplished what you always want to do. I mean, and I know there's this quality in you where you want to help people in any big or small way. These are people from Arunachal Pradesh who none of us knew, for that matter. Like, you didn't know anybody, but because you had that drive in you to help people, and that's how you took up that responsibility of running that project. And boy, you did it. You did it. And you know, when we go to the events where we meet the people who've come from Arunachal Pradesh, and I can see the joy it gives you when you talk to them and find out how they're doing. And I know you're concerned about some of the single mothers who had been brought in, and I can actually see how happy you are to see them doing good. And you'll come up to me and say, oh, I'm so happy, this, that. So just as you feel happy having helped the people, I feel happy to see you happy. I'm so proud of you. You were given the MCA award in the past, and even now this prestigious award. And it just goes to reflect how even people notice that you are there for other people, and you put yourself into so much of hard work and drive by making sure that you complete what you do. I'm so proud of you. Any more awards in line? Well, let's see what's next, and keep me in the loop.
Nimala, Order of Canada gi chaga tabgade la tashtele shigi. Very well deserved. Congratulations.
Ava, congratulations on your recent appointment to the Order of Canada. This honor is such a testament to your hard work, dedication, and the positive impact you've had on the lives of so many. You inspire us daily, and we are so proud of you.
Nima, your acts of selflessness go beyond those of an ordinary citizen. You've enriched the lives of so many Tibetans and have made a positive, lasting impact on Canadian communities. Thank you, and congratulations.
Calgary, Canada, shugin chola nime kendela tabar kerangi ani chizo la shabje shubagi chedon de Canada shune ngode nang de kerala ani chaga chimbo Order of Canada sewa de kerala top nasha dile ani ngado de Toronto de ngende changme ge sabshi de gobe 닝 타고네 섬지 테스트를 주고요. 대ren기 자가 침보당한테 뷰리질 타버들랑 한 캐나다 나게 뷰리질 타버당한테 정말 뽑을게 외워직도 대응 원했던 아장게 투지 제슈기에 투지제 테스트를
Congratulations, Agu, on being awarded the Order of Canada. We are so proud of you and so proud of all the hard work you've done for our community.
Congrats, Ashram. You couldn't have done it without us.
Nimala Toshidele, Dise, Kerala, Order of Canada, the Rawa, the Gashua years, Swiss Nai, and it's Sonam the Yishi Kwan, you get Taran Shuro Nasi dos, on Gone Gaushra, Chonsha. Okay, and bye bye. Bye bye.
님들 참비시고요. 아니 가자 또 생각해야지. 거기서기 뱀미스 가오청.
Congratulations, Shola. We are so proud of you. You truly deserve this prestigious award.
Congratulations, Nimala. Tashtale.
Sending lots of love.
From Minnesota.
Chola, ani Order of Canada ge chagatoba dela ning takwane samdi tashtale Chola, super proud of you.
Congratulations, Chola. Tashtale manguye. Very well deserved.
Nimala Kiralia Tanda Canada gita CG jengi chaga Order of Canada siadi Kiralia rabitinga zu shuji kabu chung kiranga kule tseme kyon shabate sobita muyosu tenda mini chung yabati ene tak migdon lang sun yabu shuji chung shabate sun zaning takpane la ne la to teshte leta ene di chale di sabuji pyu tabu jizol pemba nanto udiliya ene tuji che 제제 슈아인 님라 테스트레
출랑님 견자랑 나저 다리 Order of Canada 시차we Canada 미시기 자가 토시디락 대행 능미 창매 섭슈제 조선 코변하는 나저 디시들이 창매 슈이 띵안 준 능미 주어 메인베 산의 Canada 양구의 표면 창매 아니 시지다 뼈바다 가고 지리승비 양가 디스리슈
Congratulations.
Hey, big brother. So you're getting inducted into the Order of Canada, eh?
What a great recognition of your hard work and dedication.
You're so deserving of this incredible honor. We are very proud of you.
Congratulations.